Tradition in quality renowned around the world. Established in 2001, ZMM Bulgaria Holding is a subsidiary of one of the largest industrial groups in Bulgaria. The company consolidates, preserves and develops the experience and best traditions of the major machine building enterprises in the country of over 70 years. ZMM has a solid international reputation and an impressive network of partners and clients formed throughout many years. Due to the decades-old tradition in quality and established long-term partnerships around the globe, ZMM manufactures machines for 80 countries in the world. The numerous returning clients know that ZMM Bulgaria Holding is synonymous with uncompromising European standards at an extremely competitive price. The excellent product quality has always been a signature feature of the ZMM brand. All ZMM products undergo extensive performance and quality assurance testing prior to release to the market. Our plants produce all three major types of lathes: universal lathes, oil country lathes, and CNC lathes with digital control. ZMM's digital lathes ensure high performance, exceptional productivity and accurate control that all clients seem to appreciate. To best meet the client's particular needs and specifications, ZMM produces custom-built machines with a choice of Siemens, Fanuc, Fagor or Heidenhain controls. We aim to fulfill the need for reliable, highly productive equipment and timely delivery. Whatever your technical needs are, consider ZMM Bulgaria Holding as an efficient, trustworthy partner for the long run. Our reputation speaks for itself.